Hello guys, my name is Matt. In this video I will talk about how to get from Chiang Mai to Luang Prabang, Laos. The distance between two cities is just about 800 kilometers, but due to the bad road conditions, it could take up to 24 hours. The journey starts on a bus to Chiang Mai. First, it's necessary to get to the Chiang Mai bus terminal 3. Here I bought the tickets to Chiang Mai. I could only buy tickets for the 6 p.m. bus. I recommend to buy the tickets online. The journey takes about 3 hours. Good morning guys from Chiang Mai. Let's go. So now I'm at the station. It's quite loudly here. Hope you can hear me. And this is the station, and there is a bus which goes to the Laos border. I read that you should ask little bus to stop little before the final stop to get to the border, but I don't know, so I check it. Let's go to the bus. It's a pretty small bus. Ready, steady, go! The bus stops on the crossroads. It is necessary to pay extra 60 baht to get to the border. Waiting for the bus to get us to the next side, to the Laos side of the border crossing. I don't know why we wait, because it's just a lot of people here and bus is ready. I hope soon we'll get in. I'm finally in Laos, and now it's time to go to the bus station to catch the bus to Luang Prabang. So I finally came to the bus station. It's in Sai, and from here I will go in forest to the Luang Prabang. So it was very easy to cross the border, no problems at all, especially for Russian citizen, which doesn't need visa. Other people need to get entry visa, so it's the base, about $50, I think. So I'm here, and I guess I bought a ticket for from 20 bucks, and soon I'll go to Luang Prabang. So behind me, this is a bus station, which from here all buses go to the different locations, to Chiang Mai, to China, and of course to Luang Prabang and Vientiane. So it's pretty nice. There's some coffee shops, some shop, some else. Looks like it's no problem to buy a ticket to the Luang Prabang on the same day as I did, and because there's not that many people go there. So I just started from morning in Chiang Mai, and then came here, buy the ticket, and at 6 p.m. I'll have a night bus to the Luang Prabang. So here goes the traditional, almost Lao food. Empty. The bus has lying beds. 2 people are lying in a bed. I was sharing my bed with a Lao guy, and it was fine and quite comfortable. It wasn't the most comfortable bus ride in my history, but overall it was okay. After Asia, after 16 hours on the road, finally got to the Luang Prabang. Then it was another tuk-tuk ride to my hotel. So I finally came to the city, and what I did there you can see in the next video. I hope you like it and subscribe!